Hey folks, Tom Busby here. First, let me cover the disclaimer. There's a high degree of risk involved in trading. You know, DTI Trader and all individuals affiliated with this site assume no responsibility for your trading. You control your mouse or investment results. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Now, the RoadMap software is a tool that I use daily in the market. It was created back in 1996. And over the years, we modified it. We kept it true to its desired goal, helping us organize all that data out there and come to a reasonable conclusion that would put the odds in our favor. What you're looking at there is our custom page, our ETR line, which we call the electronic tape reader, and each individual charts on things that we track. It makes it a lot easier when you have what we call buy zones and sell zones to see that picture. Truly, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Now, over the years, we've added additional features to the RoadMap that enhance the ability to analyze the data in the current market situation. It stayed current. It never goes out of date to help you make successful trades. Today, I want to reintroduce a feature that we've had in the RoadMap for many years. This feature is called the reference bar table. Now, before we get there, it's based on the 24-hour market, and this is the way I define it. The market opens in the evening in Asia. That's really tomorrow's market when it opens. That's the way the exchange keeps track of it. Now, from 5 o'clock in the evening to 3:30 in the morning Central Time, okay, I call that the Asian time frame. Then we roll into Europe from 3:30 a.m. to 8:30. And then we get into what I call the U.S. early and the U.S. late. One U.S. a.m. early starts at 8:30 and finishes up about 12:30. And then, of course, the California market that starts at 12:30 that goes to 4. That's the layout that we follow around the clock at DTI. Now, we don't stay up. I have tried to do that in the past, but we look at the RoadMap, and the RoadMap gives us the key numbers. Where do the key numbers come from? They come from what we call reference bars. There's 4 main reference bars, and there's 3 what I call additional bars. Let me explain. RB1 kicks off the night between 6 and 6:30. This is Eastern time now. We switched from Central to Eastern. RB2 is from 4:30 to 5. This kicks off Europe and the European markets from that time in the morning. RBX is when you can trade markets in the pre-market here in the United States from 7 a.m. to 7:30. Notice each of these bars are about 30 minutes in length. Just need to know the times. The cash open happens at 9:30 to 10 Eastern time. 11:30 to 12 is the European close. We call this the Genesis bar. Then 1:30 to 2 is RB4, which is from 1:30 to 2. This sets up your afternoon. And then finally, RBZ, which is that bar that sets up the close and bell trade and really leads you into the new day. So you need to track these numbers and the ranges, and it's a lot of work. So we put it inside the RoadMap to give it to you. Now, the feature I'm going to highlight today is make it real simple. It's called the reference bar table. Here's how it works. Get your eyes focused on Apple, a very popular ticker. Notice that you have the yellow there, congregation around 191.11, and you got the high at 192.98. How does that play out in a real market? Well, look at a chart. We drew a line at support. We drew a line at resistance. So if I'm looking at Apple and it's above that 191.11, just made a recent new high, maybe on a 30-minute chart, I would go long. Where would my target be? Up there at 192.98. That's simple, that's straightforward. And the RoadMap does all this for you. So all you have to do is put your ticker in. You do have to be able to type that. Once you do, it lays it all out, tells you where to enter, where to exit, and what to look forward to. Now, summary. What I love about this feature, no matter what ticker it is, whether you're trading gold, whether you're trading silver, whether you're trading NVIDIA, you can find the key numbers, look at the trade, frame it, where support is, where resistance is, and determine whether that stock is going up over that day, or going up over that week, or going up over that month, using these tools that we created. Or if it's just going sideways, not doing anything, or going down. So you've got an unbiased view about anything that you own for the roadmap to look at and set you up. Now folks, you can go find out more about the roadmap at dtitrader.com/roadmap or call 904-416-1776. Be glad to answer your questions you might have. This is in real time, so you're not looking at past data, and we're set up. We can have it on your computer in less than 5 minutes once you get signed up. Go check it out. I'm telling you, from a 40-year veteran, this is what I would do if I was getting started. And as I always say, see you on the flip side.